Hey everybody, hope you're doing awesome. I'm Brian Jenkins with Circuit Crush and Circuit Crush TV, and today I have an update on the progress of my drone, aka Quadcopter project. Now last time we checked in on this, things looked a little bit different, but if you've been following this is only the second video, but if you saw the first one, you can probably right away tell that progress has been made. So, one of the things that stands out is this here. This is the flight controller we talked about before. And first I was able to mount that flight controller to this anti-vibration pad here. And I just did that with some double-sided tape. And then I mounted the whole assembly to the frame. And this anti-vibration base here does have screw holes here, and then on the other side there's two also. But those screw holes didn't really line up really well with any of the holes in this part right here. So instead of trying to screw it on or bolt it on, I just used a couple of zip ties. And the zip ties are pretty strong, so I have a feeling that that's going to hold up pretty well. The second thing that you guys may notice is the addition of this guy here. This is the radio receiver. And again, I just stuck this on with double-sided tape, and this is going to be the rear of the copter. And then we have the antenna for the unit. And I already have the unit plugged into the Pixhawk flight controller. Now, here we have, nails on the chalkboard, we have the GPS compass. And see here, it came with this whole thing here, this mast, mounting hardware in this unit came with the flight controller. And we mounted the base with, there's 3 screws. There's one in the rear you probably can't see, but there's 2 here and 1 in the rear. And then this is just a piece of plastic that just kind of fits inside of the hole. And then there's another piece up top here with the actual unit stuck to this with a little bit of double-sided tape again. And we have it plugged in here. In addition to that, we also have a little speaker we've attached, a buzzer/speaker, to one of the arms, and that's wired to the controller. And then this guy here is the power module. That also came with this, and it plugs in to here. This guy goes in between the battery and the rest of the copter. Finally, we have this little button here, and this is just kind of like a start-stop safety switch, and that too is plugged into the flight controller, and then I used a little zip tie to hold the button in place. So we're making some good progress here. In fact, we are probably going to be done soon. There's a couple more things to do, including wiring up the motors and electronic speed controllers. Obviously, I need to attach propellers and a few other details and get the battery attached, but I will check in with you guys once I make more progress. In the meanwhile, drop a comment and tell me about your latest projects, especially if you're working on a drone or quadcopter or anything like that. I'd love to know about it, guys. Until next time, I'll see you later.